Hi guys, Al here. Welcome to Hook's Hot Rods. Before I get into this video, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and share. So I've got some work done on the boxes on the truck now, and I've got a bunch of the parts bolted on, and the tailgate's on. Been busy this weekend doing some sidewalk work for my son, getting his house fixed up. But yeah, I got the, I didn't have a whole lot of time to work on it, but I did get the fenders on. Yeah, I did get the fenders on, the rest of the running boards, the piece up underneath the back of the box. And the tailgate's on. So this is the latches I made to close the tailgate with. What I did was I took a piece of tube, 3/8 bolt, and a spring and a couple of washers, and made like a barrel with a pin in it, spring-loaded pin. And then I welded a nut on the inside here to screw this here bolt into. And all you have to do, instead of having the chains on the back that rattle and scratch your paint, all you have to do is pull it in, and it's spring loaded, so you just let it go and it locks into the back of the box. It's pretty simple to make. And then for my hinges, I did this. It's just a piece of angle iron with a bolt on it that slides into the end of the tailgate here. That's the pivot point. And then those latches just lock into this hole up here at the top. Okay, so I have the tailgate on now. And yeah, these here pins, you just slide them in and lower the gate. It's pretty easy, no chains rattling. And I just used some GM tailgate straps. Shorten them up to make it work. And yeah, so they just, these pins come up and just lock into this upper hole on either side. That's it. This garage is so small, it's hard to move around in here. But there it is, there's the boxes done. I still have some bolts to put into the, for mounting the fenders, but I'm going to be putting some wood inside, and I don't want the bolts in the way when I do it. That'll be in a few weeks. So it's starting to look like a truck now. So my next mission will be getting the cab, the bodywork done on the cab, and get it painted and back on the truck. Before I drop the cab on, I'm going to pull the motor and transmission out. And well, the motor's going to need freshening up because it's pretty beat. And that transmission, it's a $100 tranny I bought. It's supposed to be low mileage, out of a motorhome. You know how it is. It'll be coming apart and being redone. I'll probably put a shift kit in it. Get it all cleaned up. I still have to do some kind of an insert in the front here to protect the radiator. I think I'm going to do it in expanded aluminum with a screen, just to keep stuff from hitting the radiator. Yeah, it'd be nice when it's all in paint and the cab's back on. Then I can move on to something besides body work, because it doesn't take long before you get tired of sanding. I still got that to work on. All right, well, just a quick update. Again, please subscribe, share, and definitely leave a comment. Thanks for watching.